Yeah. Here's another one. Dinner time. Let's go. Potatoes. Okay. And now in to the boiled water. Crushed garlic. 20 minutes. Zucchini. Now, put them all here. Salt, pepper, and olive oil. Carrot. Okay. These are the carrots. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and then into the oven, 450 for 20 minutes. In here, also, next to the carrots, 450, 20 minutes. Onions. Garlic. Crush a few garlics. Oops. The one that got away. There. A few champignons. And now back to the potatoes. I drained them. And they're ready to go. So I already seasoned them. Adding salt and pepper. Olive oil, and add some cream and butter. I have no idea where my potato smasher is, but I guess this is gonna be now old school. Basically smash with a fork. What's going on? They're pretty soft. Hey, look at that. There you go. 2-3 minutes of mashing with this. Huh? Those guys are ready. Look at that. And the carrots as well. All right. And now cutting some strips out from the sirloin steaks. Pretty bloody, huh? It was blood on the dance floor. Okay. Done with the cutting. Pepper. Salt. And some wash your sister sauce. Or is it wash your sister sauce? Just a little bit. Let's go. Now, add some fresh rosemary. Oh yeah. Dang, the smell, like quickly how aromatic it is. Okay. And just put the rosemary here, those leaves for later. And now let's get to, you said it, you know it, to the meat of things. Sizzle away, baby. Sizzle away. Oh. This is coming along very, very well. So now, I'm going to add garlic, fresh peppercorns actually, mushrooms, onions, and a splash of the good stuff. Oh man, I'm so excited! It looks so good. This is now ready to go. The smell is crazy. It smells so good. Back to the pan. We add some sherry vinegar. 2 tablespoons of water. Fresh garlic. And to that, we add butter. Plating time. Start with the mashed potatoes. Zucchini, the carrots, butter sherry sauce, some rosemary, dinner's ready! Cheers! Here's to another happy landing!